N.L.P, neuro-linguistic programming. What does it mean? So I'm going to break it down, the N, the L, and the P, neuro. Please follow me very closely as I get on board now. If you miss a part or a single line in the discussion we're getting into, you're going to struggle in the application. We as human beings, we get information from our external environment through our 5 senses. What we feel, what we see, what we smell, what we taste, and what we hear. Now, there are some people who are deaf, so they cannot hear. Some people are blind, they cannot see. In fact, some people are deaf and blind at the same time. I'm sure you've heard about such people. Now, their other sensory parts are more active. For example, somebody who is blind, if you find out, you realize that their hearing is extremely sharper and more apt than those of us that still have all of our 5 senses intact. Now, but let's talk about us. We get information from our external environment through our 5 senses, either at the same time or 2, 3, or even 1 at a time. For example, you are having a meal. You are having a meal and you are tasting that meal. Now, you're thinking about this food is reminding you of your childhood. Or you're perceiving that food is reminding you of when you traveled, maybe for a vacation or for a visit. It's reminding you of something. Now, that smell, that taste, it is a sensory part of you that is interacting with your external environment. That food is your external object that you are paying attention to and getting information from. Right now, as we speak, I am your external environment. You're paying attention to me. You're looking at me now. You're listening to me. I'm your external environment by hearing. You're listening to me. You can see me. You're looking at me. I'm your external environment. So these 2 parts of your senses are actually working right now at me. You cannot smell me. You cannot taste me. You cannot feel me right now as we speak. But you can hear me and you can see me. Now, when information gets to us through any or all of these 5 senses, we begin to process them. So I've moved from neuro, how the information gets to us through our senses. Now, moving to the next one, which is the linguistic. Now, when these things get to us, we think about them, it now impacts and affects how we think and then how we react back to the environment.